Hello, welcome to My Speech and Hearing Clinic. I am Sunil Patil, Principal Audiologist at My Speech and Hearing Clinic. So today we are going to talk about how to use Signia's rechargeable hearing aids. So let's see what all things you are going to get along with your hearing aid in the box. This is your hearing aid box. When you open the box, the first thing what you see is your hearing aid. So when we open the hearing aid box, you are going to notice your two hearing aids here. So the next thing what you see inside the box is your warranty card, the manual of your hearing aid, the charging cable. The charging cable depends on the type of hearing aid has been given to you. Like this hearing aid supports USB Type-C, which is here. So we have provided you the USB Type-C cable here. The next thing what you get is your adapter for this cable. And the last thing what you get is your brush for cleaning the hearing aid. So now let's see what you see inside this hearing aid box. Also you can call it a hearing aid case. So when you open this hearing aid box, you see your both hearing aids. So how to know which one is your right hearing aid and which one is your left hearing aid? So here, if you see here, there is a clear demarcation. There is R written on this side and there is L written on this side. And how to know the right and left hearing aid? That you will come to know based on the colors. If you turn your hearing aids towards you, you will be able to see that there is a red color marking here and there is a left color marking here. So this red one is for your right side and the left one is for your left side. So now let's see what are the parts of the hearing aids. So first thing what we see is hearing aid by itself. This is the body of the hearing aid. The part here is called as receiver. This part is called as sleeve. So this is the part which goes inside the ear and this is the part which remains outside. Let's see how we take out the instruments out of the box of the hearing aid. First, open the lead. The moment you open the lead, you are going to see the lights blinking. Now I am going to take out the right hearing aid first. Just take it out like this. Also, I am going to take out the left hearing aid in the same way. Just take it out and put it on the ear. So how to put it on the ear, that we can discuss in the later part of the video. You can close the lid once the hearing aids are out. So now let's see how we are going to insert the hearing aids back into their box. So while inserting hearing aids back into their box, first open the lid again. Now to put a hearing aid into the right side slot, first we need to put the receiver, which is this part, behind this hearing aid slot. The hearing aid slot is here. So right side hearing aid I am going to insert this way so that the receiver is going into the behind slot and hearing aid is going into their right slot. The same way I am going to insert the hearing aid such a way that the receiver is going into this behind slot and hearing aid is going into this left side slot. If you observe carefully, both the hearing aids are facing opposite to each other in a diagonal direction. The right hearing aid is facing towards this direction and the left hearing aid is facing toward this direction. Once the hearing aids are inserted properly, you can close the lid. You can confirm whether the hearing aids are being inserted properly or not by just pressing this button here, which is below this small indication. Just press this button. You will see that both the side LEDs are blinking. That shows that the right hearing aid and the left hearing aid both are inserted properly. Now let's see how do we recharge the hearing aid. So while recharging the hearing aid, you need to connect your adapter to the socket, and once socket is attached to the adapter, this is the Type-C cable for the hearing aid. You need to insert this Type-C cable into this portion of the hearing aid. So this is the way you connect your cable to the hearing aid box. The moment you insert the charging cable into the box, you are going to see all these lights blinking. So if you see that both the lights are not blinking, that means hearing aids are being charged fully. If you see both the lights blinking, that shows the hearing aids are being charged. And if you see that these lights are not blinking, that shows that the charging is fully completed. So in this case, the hearing aid inside this box are fully charged, but there is a light which is blinking here. That means the hearing aid box is being charged. So the box is being charged now, but the hearing aids inside the box are already fully charged. So if all the lights are blinking, that means that hearing aids and box both are getting charged. This particular hearing aid need not to be charged every day, as this box, which itself is a power bank, this box can charge the hearing aid at least 2 to 3 times. So to remember in an easy way, you can charge this box every alternate day. That becomes easy for you to remember. Now let's see how we put the hearing aids on the ear. First, you open the box, take the hearing aid out of the box like this. This is the right side hearing aids. So we are going to put this part behind the ear and this part inside the ear. Let me show you how we do that. So this is the way you put the hearing aid part behind the ear and the receiver inside the ear like this. Put it properly. So when we put the instrument, make sure that this receiver is touching to your ear or your cheek here. So this is the correct way of inserting the hearing aid. You cannot have this receiver lying outside like this. This is the wrong way of inserting. If you do this, this is going to make your hearing aid fall very easily. So the right way of inserting a hearing aid is to put this part behind like this and the receiver snugly inside this way. Alright. So proper insertion of the hearing aid is also going to ensure that your hearing quality will be much better. The same way we are going to put the left hearing aid. This is the way you put the hearing aid behind the ear, and this part, which is receiver, goes inside like this. So this is the correct way of insertion. Hearing aid behind and receiver inside, and the receiver is touching my ear like this. If you insert the hearing aids properly, that is also going to make your hearing aid less visible. Now let me show you how we remove the hearing aids from the ear. First, I am going to take the hearing aid from behind like this slowly and take out the inside part, which is receiver, slowly like this, and simultaneously I am going to insert them back in the box like this. Same way I am going to take out my left hearing aid like this. You can also take out the receiver first if you want. Receiver like this and hearing aid like this slowly, and put them back in the box like this. So now let's see how do we clean the hearing aid. So in order to clean a hearing aid, first thing what you can do, use the brush which is provided in the box. You can clean the sleeve like this from all parts, from all the corners. Also you can clean the hearing aid like this, the microphone area which is here. Also you need to clean an important part, which is this area. This area can be cleaned like this using this pin. This is the part where usually you will find the wax accumulation. The moment you clean this part, you will also start hearing better. So that's how you can clean the sleeve. In certain cases, we need a deep cleaning of this part of this receiver. So how do we do that? First, you can take out this sleeve outside. The way to take out the sleeve outside is to pinch this part here and take this part out. Very easily you will get these both parts separated, and the part here which is white in color, this is called as hearing aid filter, that can be cleaned like this. Alright, if you clean this part properly, should solve your problem of not hearing. Then you can insert this sleeve back like this. So when you insert the sleeve, you can hear the click sound here. In certain cases, we ask you to change the filter, or else you can change these filters every 4 to 6 months. Depends on the type, depends on amount of wax your ear is generating. So to change this filter, we have provided you extra filters along with your hearing aid. You open the filter box like this. Take this filter needle outside. So you can see there are two parts to this needle. There is one part which has nothing attached to it, and there is this part which has a filter attached to it. So first we need to remove this filter, which is the old one. To remove this filter, use this stick, insert it into the receiver part gently or with little effort, and you can take it out this way. So this old filter is out now. Now we need to put the fresh filter, which is here, back into the receiver like this. Just insert here, give a little bit of pressure here, and take this part out. So your new receiver is installed here, and put the sleeve back on its place. This part of the sleeve, which is a white color, or there cannot be a color, there might not be any color. So this center portion goes here, and you hear the click sound. Please ensure that this sleeve has been inserted properly by just pulling it out. It shouldn't come easily out. It is recommended to change this sleeve every 4 to 6 months. If you have any further query related to how to use this hearing aid, you can call on our clinic number, which is 7040 300 and 300. You can also visit our website www.myspeechandhearing.com. You can also find us on YouTube with the channel name My Speech and Hearing Clinic. You can find all the updates coming. Thank you.